Shout if you want shout. Oh, God.
Now money be fine, but
What happened to this one? Money be fine, but now show you never fine. I don't know when they want to resemble. Because Nigeria is very funny. I tell you the truth. I'm not too young to run. I will go pursue me, I never see. He said, what do you do? I said, I'm a comedian. Then he asked me, what do they do? I said, I will sell bullets for police. I said, carry on. He said, consult with that. He said, I leave on our customer. And then they said, for, you know, so when would they do this show? The guy will do the voiceover, do one small error. Or the gym will come, the regular 5,000, PR 25,000, table 1 million, then table for 10. Instead of 2 million, because it's 2 billion. Now why you go and call me? He said, now I want to buy tickets to your show. I don't even know you, but you are very funny. I say, how? He said, you comedian that can sell table 2 billion. That joke is too funny. Well, this shocked me. Now one guy called me. He said, hello, I have 2 billion table. Is that available? I saw guys 2 million. He said that the price went down to 1 pay. Now the man said, can you deliver tickets? I said yes. Now the guy sent me address. Now I see 15A I walk away in Koyi. When I Google now, I EFCC office. Now me call the man, that table don't finish. The show don't pass, it don't pass. Do you know that during the former era, if you get big belly, you feed well. Now, if you get big belly, you are fed up. The way Nigerians they beg now, somebody will greet you. They even answer greet you now, they fail you because where they go there. One guy from my estate, the guy they greet, he go just see me. No name, he never call me. He go just shout, my king. I go dash the guy small thing. Another guy they come out, my president. No name, I come one, the guy shout, my helper. One dance and they come before the guy come down shouts, my God! The guy said for this small thing. And do you know the way things are going as a young man, where you go to see your life remain one back. Now when you go ask a blind girl out on a date, blind girl comes say, I'm sorry, I'm seeing someone else. You know say that's that problem. You know say girls can cough. Girl will not like you, girl will like you. Once girl won't cough you, no time when you fix the date where you go walk. One guy don't want to go date with a girl. Now he say, can we see on Saturday evening? Now the girl say, I will have headache that day. I will have headache. I just say normally, the normal African woman don't ask for too much. Once they love you, anyhow we go on, you do alright. Those days, from Jos, Stroke go Jos, no better place to carry baby go. You get one go where they trip for. Then you get to take me out. We look, nowhere to go. Now I can go zoo. As we enter the zoo, the other don't say, you get love you, You get love you. Zoo will be like Dubai. As we enter the zoo, you get on the phone like someone enter another place. We just say different things, just a pass. As we did pass, what do you call it? Snake pass. He said, oh, snake. Zebra pass. He said, oh, zebra. Wait till kill me when crocodile pass. And he gets shot. Oh my God, Lacoste. Now say if you say house pass, you go shout at Florida. And Nigerian girls now, the way the economy dey, all the girls, they love their self-employed. Only this Snake Island you go meet there. So what do you do for a living? So I live on the island. They call their Swiss company with that. And when they go, when workers they go strike, when they follow. Yes, and then they will call you. They will call you and say they miss you. Now lie yo, now hustle. Don't fall for that trap. One day call me one day. He said, Capella, I don't understand what you're doing anymore. When are we seeing now? I said, I beg, I'm not around. 2 days later, he called me. That's how the other time he said you were not around. I said, I'm still not around. The girl don't worry me. I just find where I go to discharge him. Now I say, you know, he said, where are you now? I said, I'm in my friend's house. He said, does it mean I can come there now? I said, is that our friend? She said, it doesn't matter, come on. He said, don't do me. To discharge him, finally. Now I said, baby, you know what? I just want to tell you the truth. The reason I've been avoiding you is because I don't have money. Then you guys say, let me just come now. At least let me know somebody's owing me. One man carry one girl one day. For that got see, their room door opposite my own. I hear her clearly on my left ear. Oh God. My kidney was alert. Two of them. I told the ear from middle of the night because for the other room. Who are they? Now wall. You know, what is my way carry so who was now? Shakara, you will not okay. No. So the hotel does it. Let's assume it's on a wall like this. So my bed did this wall. Their own did this wall from the other side. So middle of night, I thought they had hand just the move. So I heard the guy come through first. Baby, what are you looking for? And the man replied, something that will benefit you. Meanwhile, I said the guy they do the man. So who we in there? He said something that will benefit you. And the man collect Bible, carry something, begin sign. I shocked. As the girl go deeper, and the man carry phone, call the lawyer. He said, hello, I want to change my next of kin. The lawyer says, sir, by this time, are you under duress? He says, is it your duress? I want to change my next of kin. And the lawyer said, okay, to who, sir? Now he says, to, what's that your name again? The girl says, Sandra. He says, Sandra. Lawyer asks him, Sandra who? Sandra. Don't worry, put Sandra sock away. Now, which kid and Tiwana not take over the internet? Everywhere still. And today we say, and I have to go there, the still will go. You know how many still we don't see? I'm going to threaten with still. And I don't imagine say two of them and they do this still thing. They can't get it. You know something they talk like they put still inside. Maybe Tiwana on Facebook. When they wait for whiskey. After 30 minutes, I go call them. Easy. Are you still coming? Now that one goes, don't be stupid. Don't be. Now, I look Tiwana now in the phone and say, innocent. Let Tiwana go, no sir, no get sense. I need to watch it for news. Mexico, right? Say my pikin, no take care of our pikin. But then go, no say, and the press. No, that's what our people go to school. Can you catch a movie? Two things. One, why the people? Who tell them they go? Are we complaining? Two, they come here all those 1700, 1800, 1900 when we're not ready. They can't carry our forefathers. Now, we're not ready. You go to Embassy, you go to ask one stupid question. What are you going to do in the US? You wake up carry somebody for I don't know say Vicky will find out. That's why you don't want what they do. They bring homosexual, we quiet, you don't concern us. Where you boys from America vex. And when they start to do transgender, begin to turn man to woman. People boys begin to suspect all the girls from America. Any girl will go man stop. First way go there. Follow come or converted. The girl will say follow come. Which Nothing is going to bring come here where they last. See, the girl one thing where they one time. For example, they said the CD. They said the Illuminati. Everywhere where they go, they say the CD. They say. So when you go man, don't they see the thing? Illuminati, you don't know. Now as your friends say they see Illuminati, get your money. And I want to say if you join, you go get money. Now you go ask, so who they give you know? Reliable source. The kind of way to this country now. If Illuminati come this country, then when I go yes, Illuminati join the going to see transfer. Looking for sleep, you don't see sleep. I recommend to you today, read Jehovah's Witness book Awake. If you see snow. One of my friends read Awake, enter coma. I mean, the first one to was about ginger eating. The other time I went to Russia. I was in Russia during the World Cup. Very interesting. Very interesting. Now, Russia now knows Nigerians in horse too. Do you know that as soon as we enter Russia, 2 hours later, 2,000 Nigerians robbed us? They begin arrest Nigerians, begin arrest Nigerians, begin arrest Nigerians. So we wake up for show. Because we will be Nigerians and we will advise this with all this is no good. As I read, I see over 2,000 people gather. Now ask one man, say, this Russia where you don't come now? Where you go? Where you want to go? You say you want to go Estonia. I said, where be that? He say, I'm not a member, but I know it's around. Just want somewhere different. I know say Russia big. The boys don't they run since 4 days. Any border where they come out, another state. Any border where they come out, another state. After 4 days, now they go meet immigration. I beg one of you go bus. I beg stadium. When Nigeria lost to Argentina, God, that match was so heartbreaking. I don't tell you when Nigeria man first you go, you're going to do like say now you overknow everything. As we reach Russia, one time we don't face us land. I say don't care, I don't know say just cross. I just see charger. I want price charger. You say no, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. What is surprise? They don't know the price. That's okay. When I say I need a hurry. I say I go change money for airport. You say no. Those are the look you don't do that. Where am I saying the boy that idiot? Now when I greet one woman good morning, he say no, I say God that fire you good morning are the same everywhere. At this stadium, when we lost to Argentina, anything what they tell you now, Google them. That stadium was 68,000 capacity.
Are you serious?
God that fire you. That stadium, 68,000 capacity. Nigerians were only 3,000. Not because we don't get ticket. Nigerians in this stadium begin sell their ticket for $400. I know that when you in this stadium, you get one big TV with that side. As I come, I thought they have 400. Now go meet one guy saying, you don't travel come all the way from Nigeria. Come Russia, reach stadium. You know when we watch this match live? And the guy asked me, this one did they show you not dead? I mean when they score here, not 2-0 for you. Oh, come on, you want to collect $400 and tell me rubbish. So when Victor Moses scored that goal, Victor Moses assisted. You know so when Messi scored, as Messi scored, Messi just slide. Go to Argentina, he said. When Victor scored, that penalty, as he scored, go out. He got the finals. As you know, I don't think viewers at home, man. Viewers at home. Now, the referee will blow that match. I sorry for my brother. As that referee no give us that last minute penalty, that referee had 709 followers before that match. Immediately the match ended, he get 90,000. For a man, it is a people love him. You don't say Nigerians call Kosa. Oh, if you see Kos, somebody can look at the referee, may that whistle burn your mouth. May thunder fire all the man used to blow whistle. When they give me, one get don't comment to you another. Jesus, do your thing. I see bathroom slippers. As I want job, one guy say, hey, I first sit down. I said, when the slippers beneath, he said, the spirit is here now. My friend, come and go. Nigeria is crazy. I say it every now and then. I speak the truth. I fear nobody. Wait, we see that like this country, to me, Nigeria don't run off. Because I hope you know that under this Buhari era, eraser is now 18 naira, so you can't afford to make mistakes, it's expensive. Oh, I teach you, listen! Skip! Listen! You won't skip? Look at Lai Mohammed! You going to threaten Israel? Nnamdi Kanu, we go bomb them immediately. I wrote letter to Israel. He's not speaking for us. How will we send them? Somebody will, and they talk this in every time. They will get small opportunity. You want who make up, you know what talk. Who owns jollof rice? Simple thing. Whether in Nigeria or not, put our jollof rice on the global map. You can't give Senegal. Since that day, I know the two throws that man. Because the fear Sana who gets a decline, will say now Hong Kong. My friend, where they drive Uber, carry one woman one day. You know say the woman don't take for America. And so the woman and the pikin enter one shop. As they enter the shop, the pikin they misbehave. He follow them. The woman don't know the pikin one door. Pikin begin cry. So as they enter the motor back, the woman come to apologize. No, baby, sorry. No, you made me do this. I've been looking for you. What you don't beg 2 hours. Until pay my friend. Now you must break. Madam, calm down. I'm spoiler. Calm down. When we smoke, your man will beat you. Don't try now. You know, so your man will beat you 2 weeks. You know that they're comfortable. Because they feel like saying the way they eventually beat you, you feel that. Our mothers, they beat us for no reason. I don't know whether they all they bored. For nothing. As you your mama they waka. You just waka pass and go front. You don't say normally, or your mama don't go front, you day back. As you just come back, look you. The one where they keep me, and that way you say, as she hold you for hand, you can't go front. You just hold your game. That was the hotel. And the hotel there, they know they help. When I perform for which person shows that one of the shows where they spray me, say what's baby or who? After the show, they spray me. Big money, like almost. Anyway, EFCC broke down, man don't talk about big money, one guy did there because he wanted to spray me dollars. That guy, because he didn't have white money. Say normally if I hail him, nothing. Say bro, when are you going to do your own thing? You're very funny. If I have my opinion, you're the funniest. Do something. Just call me. Anyway, my person can say never see my missed call shots. A lot of men will support me. When I start this project, by the way, this is a hotel. Anyway, I will show them say, go there is the best. God bless the go there. Don't leave the go there. Oh boy, this is a go there. Hey God, that's where they rule this hotel. Because this is our country. I don't even know what they talk now. You not come book this hall before. All those Igbo boys where they serve people for 7 years. The amount of this hall, you divide it into 10. Take settle one. This hall. I don't even, because the people like say, because now when the show don't come, come like say, if I know it's happening, I don't want to do it again when they give my money. No. I'm very angry. One man, don't hide. And the man staggered. Enter restroom. I said, and somebody said, sir, this is for the ladies. After 5 minutes, he started going. The same place, they say, sir, this is for the ladies. The guy go back. After the last minute, the guy started going. They say, sir, this is for the ladies. The guy say, yes, even this one too is for the ladies. Let us write this in the world. One guy, they were carrying the papa. Now, your father told us, say, in this life, avoid the women. Avoid the women. All the great men you know in this life, women kill them. Something they give them profile. As 2 of them they walk out, only because they pass. If you see hips, who be Shakira? As the man see hips forearm to buttress the point, now he tap in song. No! This is what I'm telling you about. This is what killed all the great men you know. Then the guy will be father. In that case, I want to die a great man. Let this thing kill me. And you know say men, the men they here. Anywhere year when they gather, men gather, one person just come. Then they say, oh, if you lick line, add small coke, put sugar, but it will last you. Where they play competition for Agungi there, that stadium, in near your house. And there we gather over 2,000 boys. One guy don't come. So, I don't discover one. They say, wait, say if you want it, don't take watermelon. 2 days later, watermelon is scarce. If you want to buy fruit salad, watermelon, don't you know. One guy don't find watermelon, you don't see. Now the guy buy melon. So when the day we drink water. People now, when did the worship God became emotional? I just want to be where you are. Dwelling daily in your presence. I don't want to worship from afar. I just want to be with you. Emotional things. Our own. Because problems everywhere. Now we start to worship God now. Those days, we dey worship. Now forget what we come now, sing one bad song. Everybody will join. Lord, you reign. Ever you're the same. I got my Turuki mama, the church will say. You lifted me, gave me a song. I got my Turuki mama, the church will say. But those days in my life, now question and answer. You play as our teacher day, all of us are students. You go ask us 2 big questions, we will reply. Will you be ready when the Lord shall come? Answer. After this one, you go ask another question. What shall we do today? After this one, another question they come. Who is better than Jehovah, Lord divine? Brother, are you a winner? Then they go sing one song. Come pretend and say they don't want to ask you questions. The question they waiting for front of you. You got since I was born and now I am getting old. Question, listen, brother, have you seen it? Must we answer question? You must have a backup. Even the president, they do business. His president, his minister. One cannot save you. That's why people boys don't prepare. Abana the only place where you go now, somebody go open hospital, open mortuary. If you don't live, you go die. The money will still come to us. And who don't go buy medicine for Medplus before? Medplus will sell medicine for you, like say that you cause a problem. Like say the shop rents not in here, so they just want. Now my guy don't go Medplus. I say, please, I want something for Qatar. And the guy go come back. He said 14,008. Now answer, how much for catastrophe? To scatter the full Oshodi. How much? Fakir boys do 5. Oshodi don't scatter. Finish. They are telling me rubbish. Now I want to talk to the government. If you never tire you don't tire me. Indomie. When I perform, I want to show Indomie. When I don't distract these people, I will get problems, you know. But listen, gentlemen, one of the best brands, these days they've been supporting what we do. We support comedy back to back. Because if people like this don't support us, after this show, I will visit all of them. We will donate the money. We're not clap for Indomie, we're not clap for Indomie. We're going to do some giveaways for Indomie. For Indomie, this Indomie, I don't know Nigeria situation. No size where they never carry Indomie go. As the hungry they come, they say bring 2 minutes instant noodles. As we did, as I said the hungry now, they bring super pack. As I did, they said the hungry one, now they bring hungry one size. As I did, they said the hungry now, now they bring Indomie belly food. Now here we go there, they go bring Indomie remain for me. So since now my experience, myself I don't decide this 2019, anybody will go rule this country, you go show us where not rule before. Now, you go show us where not rule before. They no sponsor. Now, what did they do? When I confused, so am I. As in Nigeria, the confusion everywhere. Everybody got confused. Look at Buhari come on United Nations meeting. That's how Puerto Rico get flood problem. Now they say there's a problem, they need to donate money to help Puerto Rico. Now Buhari said, okay, what is the problem? And they said, look at it, children are suffering. No food, no water, there's flood everywhere, they don't have where to stay. And Buhari repeat them. So what exactly is the problem? Because if I had they cheat us. This problem don't they exist. Because the way Buhari they travel and they feel, say 2019 election, Buhari will in China. Election will finish. We dey beg everybody now, get PVC, get PVC. You dey tell like say no concern you. For your mind, you be big boy.